After a devastating hailstorm that hit Jiri-Tipaimukh, leaving a path of destruction, Jiri-Tipaimukh and Borobekra subdivision road became impassable due to extensive damage along Jiri-Tipaimukh jetty route. The incident occurred yesterday around 10 a.m. at Morbung village of Borobekra subdivision, located 7 kilometers away from jetty road in Jiri-Tipaimukh. According to laborers working on jetty road, culverts have been installed in the area as a part of the road widening project. However, torrential runoff from the hills wreaked havoc on the road, resulting in destruction of approximately 4 culverts. The laborers reiterated their stance that restoration work on the route can be resumed once the rain subsides. Meanwhile, vehicles remained stranded along Jiri-Tipaimukh to Borobekra. Residents of Borobekra subdivision are grappling with challenges in transporting essential commodities. Concerns have also been raised that remaining parts of JT Road might be impassable due to pathetic road condition caused by trimming of hills for road widening if the rain continues.